Welcome back. Representatives of village groups and Gram Sabhas have objected to the advisory issued through the Town and Country Planning Department, stating that Gram Sabhas have no powers to discuss construction projects in villages. They submitted a memorandum to Chief Town Planner S.T. Puttaraju. They fear that this advisory will be misused by the builder lobby.
Representatives of village groups and Gram Sabhas have objected to the advisory issued through the Town and Country Planning Department. They marched to the TCP office in Panji on Monday. They submitted memorandum to the Chief Town Planner S.T. Puttaraju.
Gram Sabhas have a right to plan their own villages, and the circular states that once the TCP passes an order, the Gram Sabha has no say. So we have come here to state our objection. We have handed over the memorandum. The Chief Town Planner has promised us that this our memorandum will be sent to the Chief Minister, who is also the Minister for Town and Country Planning, this order in abeyance. Because what is happening now is this particular circular which has been, or letter which has been written to the Director of Panchayat is being used by builders to go on with their projects. And projects are coming up at such a fast pace that in one village there are like 14 builders putting up mega projects. So what is the use of any order coming after our villages have been destroyed? So that is why there is so much of anger, and all the groups have decided to come together.
Chief Town Planner S.T. Puttaraju said that he will prepare the report and send it to the Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar.
This conflict needs to be set into a proper way. It has to be said, okay, what is the correct position? I don't know what is the right or wrong. There are legal experts to do that. It is the government has to decide exactly what is the correct position and who has got powers to what. So otherwise, allowing something to go in a confused fashion might result in, it doesn't result in any good results. I have assured them that I will be submitting my report to the government based on whatever they have submitted, for government to take an appropriate decision on the matter. Yeah, obviously.
Dinesh Karpe for Prudent.
Magic Sports Club beat Politics 11 by 6 runs to win the 5th All-Goa cricket tournament at Farmagudi recently. The Kamalakant Parab Memorial Tournament was organized by MGP and Sharp Sports Club.
Caution to the wind, straight to Vinod. Good swing of the bat, but finds the fielder. No! Beautiful delivery. Unable to play, unplayable delivery, but still managed. Good line, this time played, but a good swing, good connection. Number 1 news channel in Goa. Beautiful delivery this time, but the ball is dominating at this shot kick. This is a connection, but there is a fielder. One ball, it will be just a single run. That is what I feel. What a magical spell. 1 ball and 7 runs. But they are right, it is magic.
If you've missed our bulletin, log on to prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter @PrudentGoa or meet us on Facebook at facebook.com/PrudentMedia. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.